Hi planner friends, I'm glad to be back. So in here I'm showing you how I decorated my February monthly, which I really love. And this is the current week that we're on after the pen, which I really love how it turned out. Alright, so this is the beautiful washi tape that I will be using. I think it goes very well with Valentine's Day, very girly, and has some rose gold in it. And here are the sticker books that I will be mainly using by the Happy Planner, of course. So I will be doing from the 5th through the 11th of February, and I'm gonna start by placing down the washi tape. Oh my god, you guys, I missed you so much. I've been meaning to film a video, but life gets really busy. I haven't had a chance. It's been crazy around here, but I'm very excited and I want to film more often. Hopefully I can get 2 videos up every single week how I used to do, because I really been meaning to film. I have been very active on my Instagram account, so make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on my Instagram account. So I meant to show you a flip through of my January so you guys can see how it turned out, but I lost the film or I erased it by mistake, so I might just do it on a separate video so you can see it. So I decided to place a couple of hot pink checklists here and there just so they can go with the whole spread. That's why I'm using this is the rainbow sticker book from the Happy Planner, just so everything matches well together, which I really like. I've been doing that a lot. I've been sticking to 1 or 2, maybe 3 colors a spread. I know I usually go for really colorful spreads, but I've been liking this a lot because I'm using more my stickers and my spreads are coming out a little bit prettier. And let's talk about this sticker book that took me 1 month for me to find. It's a tiny sticker book, and I don't know what's wrong with my Michaels, but it took so long to have it, but I'm glad that I finally do. So I'm placing a sticker for Monday. I forgot what it said, but I'm pretty sure it has to do with coffee. I also placed some washi tape stickers for Wednesday because it's Washi Wednesday, and I placed a laundry sticker for Wednesday as well. This is going to be a very busy week. I apologize for my weird voice. I have a cold. I don't have the flu or anything, but I've been having a cold. I know nobody cares, I'm a mom, but either way I sound very weird, so I just wanted to clarify that. January went by very quick. It was an exciting month because I finally got to meet one of my planner friends, which I've never met a planner friend here where I live, and her name is Liz. I have spoken about her before, and it was very exciting to meet her finally in person. Hi Liz, hope you're doing well. Anyways guys, right here when you see, I try to do like a little thing with washi tape, and when I was done doing it, I didn't like it, so I took it off, but still I wanted you guys to see what I was trying to do. I just thought that it looked really cluttered, so I just wasn't feeling it. Like I told you on my last video, this year I really want to get out of my comfort zone when it comes to filming and planning. So let me know in the comment section what types of planning videos you would like to see from me. I would really like to see what you guys think. So definitely comment down below and tell me what you want to see. So in here you see me taking off the washi, but I still wanted to get some use out of it because it's so pretty, and I placed it on the sidebar, and I completely forgot that I think now I have some sidebar stickers. Anyways, it's okay. I just placed it on the sidebar to make it look pretty and did not do anything else with it, just left it there. So then I went on and placed a couple of more stickers. I placed a planner for Sunday. I placed a nail polish sticker. Oh my god, I love these planner stickers. They're so adorable, and it is a Happy Planner. Anyways, I wanted to tell you all how I've been doing my planning lately. I just go on ahead and decorate my spreads. I put a lot of deco and I just fill it up as the days go by, and let me tell you guys, I've been getting a lot more stuff done like this. But this week I have a lot of stuff that it's already gonna happen. So I write it down so I won't forget, but this has been working for me very, very well. Of course, I had to grab another sticker book, and this is the Glam Girl, and it has some rose gold which goes with my spread because the washi tape has some rose gold. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, and I placed a sticker that can go with the whole spread. This sticker book is one of my current favorite sticker books ever, but I'm still searching for a couple. They're so hard to find. I want the trendsetter, and there's other ones that I can think of right now. I'm sorry, I had a rough night. Also, I added a weekend sticker, which I'm glad that I found one. I'm pretty sure I have weekend stickers in other sticker books, but I don't know what the deal is that every time I'm looking for one I can't find it, or I don't know, I just get overwhelmed. So I'm gonna see if there's a way I can get prepared before I plan. So this is great girl, her name is Shelly Creates, I think, here on YouTube, and what she does is she puts the theme of the stickers that she's going to use on, I think it's a wax paper, and I thought that idea was genius. I don't know why, but it just makes sense to not look through so many sticker books and just have everything on one page. That is a wonderful idea. Alright everyone, I know we have a lot of catch up to do, but I'm almost done. I added a hydrate sticker because I need to hydrate. I need to get on with my pen pal letters, and I did some writing of film because like I told you guys, I did know a couple of things that I had to get done. And up to this point, I'm pretty much done. And here's one final look at my spread. I hope you enjoy watching, and I'm very excited to be back. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!